Imagine hearing a Lamborghini scream to 10,000 revolutions per minute, without using its famous V10 engine. Sounds impossible, right? Well, Lamborghini just did the unthinkable with the Lamborghini Temerario, the car replacing the legendary Huracán. Instead of a V10, it packs an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 assisted by 3 electric motors, producing a monstrous 920 horsepower. But here's the crazy part. This twin-turbo V8 revs all the way to 10,000 revolutions per minute. That's motorcycle territory in a turbocharged supercar. Need proof it's fast? The Temerario launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds and keeps pulling beyond 340 km per hour. And unlike Lamborghinis of the past, this beast can move in silent electric mode, before transforming into an absolute monster the moment you touch the throttle. Inside, Lamborghini gave it fighter jet-inspired controls, 3 digital displays, and even more passenger space than the Huracán. A hybrid Lamborghini that screams at 10,000 revolutions per minute. Is this the future of supercars, or has Lamborghini gone too far? Would you take the Temerario or stick with the Huracán? Comment below. Welcome to FastLaneNation, where speed meet madness and luxury. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned for hybrid.